Happy New Year, guys! Today is January 1st, 2018.
January?
January. Ayan, kinakain pa lang namin yung handa namin kagabi. I said January. Okay, say Happy New Year to everyone.
Happy New Year.
Say Happy New Year.
Hi.
Say flying kiss. Flying kiss.
Hi.
Flying kiss. Flying kiss. Hinahalikan niya kayo. Flying kiss, like this. Flying kiss, you know what's flying kiss? Mwah. Yes.
It's 2018.
Yeah, it's 2018. Ayan, si Zach. Yes. Oh, wait. Say Happy New Year. Ayan.
Happy New Year.
Ininit ko siya, oh. Malutong.
Mom, but I don't want that.
Yes. Oh, what? I want puto.
Puto.
Ah.
Puto.
Okay.
Mom,
Okay.
I need to make this.
Yeah. How is that?
Good.
Good. Okay, see you guys.
See ya.
Have a nice New Year.
See you. Bye, guys.
I love you guys.
Mom, why do you have two?
It's inside. Sarap. Happy New Year. See you guys.
See ya.
Say see ya. Bye.
Bye.
Flying kiss. Flying kiss like this, not kiss. Kiss na naman siya, oh. Flying kiss.
Mom.
What?
Good.
What's that?
Good.
Really good. How are you, Zach? Here for you, Baba. Oh. Did you try the pork, Zach?
Yep, I like it. I like it.
Okay, kain na kami, guys. Happy New Year! Thank you!
Bye. See you tomorrow. It's January.
Yes. Bye!
Mommy.
Tingnan niyo guys, ang sarap. Ang sarap-sarap naman.
Mom, I really want to have this again.
Which one?
That pot belly.
The pork belly.
Yeah.
Where's your dad?
Oh, he's gonna go somewhere. He's going somewhere.
Tingnan niyo guys, so very
Why
nice.
didn't have lunch? We didn't have any breakfast.
Oh.
This is our breakfast.
No, this is our breakfast and lunch.
Mom. Mom.
Yeah.
Mom, we really have that. Maybe it's hang out in these. Oh yeah, one bottle to you, one for me.
Yeah.
Then I guess I have two. No, you
Ito
look.
kami sa park.
Mom.
Yes. Okay, careful. Oops. Good boy. Make it sure it's not gonna fall. Good boy, kuya. Pagkatapos namin kumain, dito na kami sa park para matagtag yung lechon. Careful, kuya, ha? Slow down. Yay! Woo! Well done, Holly. Good ka, Papa.
Stop.
Where's the dog? I don't see a dog.
I saw the dog right past.
Oh, kuya, push.
Push. Push. Oh, Mama, I didn't really high. Push.
Yes, you are very high.
Let's have your turn doing that.
Yeah, let's have kuya go.
Jump down.
Higher daw, kuya. Gusto niya higher. Sige. Oh. Oh. Boom. Zach, let's have kuya go, please. Remember, sharing is what? That's right. So you have to share to kuya because, wow, that was a big jump.
I did a big jump like that. Zach, push Holly.
Push Holly, kuya, Zach, because kuya is No, you have to push your sister. Like Kuya did. Kuya sa Holy Swing.
Hello.
Not really high because she's just a baby. Be careful, huh?
Please, hold on tight.
That's it. That's it.
That's it.
That's it.
You wanna do it?
Song, that's it. That's too hard.
That's it.
Song, that's it. Song.
Gonna go.
Song, that's it. Ooh.
Dad, the Holly.
Ooh. Natakot din siya.
No! Dad, look at Papa.
She's closing her eyes. That's not. That's enough. That's enough because she's scared. Ooh. That's enough now. Let's go. Let's go. Stop. Ouch! 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 Oh, Kuya Zach, oh, push her. Kuya Zach, push her, Kuya. Kuya Zach. Oh, what's it? Hold on! Zach, that's enough, Zach! That's enough! No! No! She's scared!
Look at me!
I know!
The bike getting higher.
Boom! 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 What? We've been here sa bahay na to for 6 years. Ngayon ko lang to natikman na peach na to. Ang tamis niya, guys. Yan, ang dami, oh. Ayan.
Mom,
Yes?
feel this one.
Is it ready? If it's soft, no, later.
No, just feel, please.
Tingnan niyo.
now.
Tingnan niyo, ang dami, oh. Ooh.
Let's see.
Which one?
That one.
Yeah.
That ready?
Yeah. Oh.
I can
Wash it.
wash it.
So, yan, guys. Ang dami naming peach. Dami. Ayan. So, 6 years na kami dito. Ngayon ko lang siya natikman. Kung hindi pa ako magtanim ng lemongrass. Ayan, tinatanim ko yung lemongrass na bigay sa akin ng isang Filipino.
Lemon.
Ha?
Are we growing lemon?
That's not lemon. Lemongrass. That's the one I put for our pork belly. So, yun, guys. Tanim muna tayo. Ayan. Say hi, Kuya. Si Sak tsaka si Holly tulog. Pagkatapos namin where we went, Kuya? Park.
The
No.
pot.
Yeah, it's a park. Okay. Yun lang. Tanim-tanim muna tayo, mga manay. Ha?
Your hands a bit dirty.
I know, because I'm doing garden.